Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous miniature South Indian breakfast which includes idli, vada, sambar, chutney and pori chutney, where I will share each and every step of how to create everything with hand sculpting method, along with the banana leaf, the plates, bowls, everything is completely handmade. Isn't it looking super pretty and super cute? And you can convert this into fridge magnet to decorate your kitchen. So without any delay, let's get started. First, I'm starting with making the plate. For this, I'm taking 20 strips of brown color in 3mm and making one big tight coil. So the tight coil is ready, securing the end using glue, and after making complete tight coil, the diameter should be 5 centimeters. So if you are taking thicker strips, you may have to take less quantity, but the end circle should be having 5 centimeter diameter. Now I am just curving the tight coil from the outer edge little bit to give it little depth. Then adding glue and spread it nicely with brush. Allow it to dry completely. Then to create bowl, here I am taking 3 strips of off-white color in 2mm and making one tight coil dome. Just flatten the center using backside of pen or tool. Add glue inside this and allow it to dry. With the same method, I have prepared one more bowl. Now I wanted to give my utensil a terracotta color. So here I am using terracotta acrylic shade and coloring both my plate and bowl using same shade. Like this. Then I have decided to color the inner part of bowl using gold acrylic color to give it brass effect. And I am coloring both the bowls. So this is done. Now I am starting with making the banana leaf. For this, here I am taking my handmade cold porcelain clay. I have just mixed a little bit of green acrylic color to my clay. Then applying little talcum powder on the surface and then flattening my clay like this. Then using one circular cutter and cutting the nice circular clay shape like this. And then to give a banana leaf effect, I am using my paper cutter and with very gentle hand I am making the veins. So the banana leaf is ready. Then taking back the plate and start sticking the banana leaf on top of the plate. Like this, and this is done. Now I'm starting with making the idli. For this I'm taking my white color clay bowl and just rolling it on my palm, then pinch from the edge around the edge, and you will have nice idli design. Do it very gently and with the gentle hands. Then to give little texture to the idli, here I am taking a poking tool or the wired brush tool and making some texture. You can also use sandpaper to give the texture. And this is done. With the same method I have prepared one more idli. Then I am starting with making the vada. So again taking my off-white color clay, mix it nicely, make it soft and smooth, make a ball, flatten it and pass any backside of paintbrush through the center part of this ball so that you will have the hole in the center. Just push it and pinch it gently, and to create the texture on the vada, here I am taking aluminium foil, scrunch and giving the nice texture. Using the poking tool again. And the vada is ready. With the same method I have prepared one more vada. Allow it to dry completely. So after drying it for 24 hours, it's time to color our vada. Here I am taking yellow acrylic color. So first I am making the base as a yellow color. After drying the yellow color, I am adding little texture using red and mixture of brown to give a nice fried vada look. Nice and crispy, and the vada is ready. Now I am starting with making the coconut chutney. For this I am taking one of the bowl, adding white clay inside this using glue. Then to give realistic look to chutney, here I am taking Glossy Accent, just taking little bit of Glossy Accent on the acrylic pad, adding a tinge of white acrylic color and mixing both the things nicely with paintbrush, and our mixture of chutney is ready. Now I'm pouring this mixture on top of the clay. Like this. Then taking little bit of black clay, making small balls for mustard seeds. Like this. Similarly, I prepared some more. Then creating the texture using pointed tweezer. And then adding a small red chili, some small green color curry leaves and the mustard seeds. And the yummy coconut chutney is completely ready. Then to create sambar, here I am taking another bowl, adding glue and putting pumpkin shade clay inside this. Keeping it aside, and till that I am making some veggies. So taking the same pumpkin shade clay, rolling it on the surface and making a small pieces as the pumpkin pieces to put in the sambar like this. Then taking little darker tone like orange color, again rolling it on the surface and cutting small pieces using scissor. It will work like the carrot. So whatever veggies you want to put in the sambar, you can create. And also I have created some small drumsticks using green color clay. So the veggies are ready. Now taking back my bowl, the clay is dried. Now again I am putting the mixture of Glossy Accent and little bit of orange acrylic color mixture onto this to give the realistic sambar look. Adding some more Glossy Accent, mix it really very well. And then adding all the veggies one by one. And the sambar is ready. Then taking back my banana leaf plate, and I am plating everything on top of this using glue. So first I am attaching the chutney and the sambar bowls. Then sticking idli and vada. And then at the end I am adding the same pumpkin shade clay small bowl in one of the corner to create the podi chutney. Create a texture using pointed tweezer. Add glue on top of this. And then I have created a small chunks of the same clay after drying to create the powdery kind of effect. So I am just pouring little bit of powder on top of this. Tap the excess and this is nicely attached. And our super cute South Indian breakfast miniature is completely ready. It's looking very tempting and yummy. If you want, you can convert this into fridge magnet by attaching the magnet on backside. So in this way you can prepare your own miniature breakfast to decorate your kitchens. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.